Alright guys, we're gonna check out this music video. It's called Smallgod X Ivorian Doll X Vic Mensa X Black Sherif X Kwaku DMC Holy Fuck. It seemed to be like an African music video. I don't know if I ever reacted to I reacted to 3 other African music video in the past, so this is gonna be probably my 4th. We're gonna I'm saying GMC is actually UK, right? UK grime, so I don't know if it's gonna be like a UK grime type of situation. I think GRM is actually UK. Gotta put on the caption, bro. Oh, no caption. Okay.
Said I won't win, but already won. Said I couldn't ever make hits, one bitch, that shit's already been done. Know this all rumors, ride like a gun. Body these bitches, I've only begun. So all of this talking, I'm not having none. Been on my grind, one of a kind. You'll find that I can never be done. Check the checks, I've been bossing.
Wait, bro. She's fired. Yo, that was fire.
Said I couldn't ever make hits, one bitch, that shit's already been done. Know this all rumors, ride like a gun. Body these bitches, I've only begun. So all of this talking, I'm not having none. Been on my grind, one of a kind. You'll find that I can never be redone. Check the checks, I've been bossing. All the
yo, she's fire, bro. She's
fire. I've been popping, lit as fuck, I've been bossing. All your heads up, I'm popping. Like work, I've been jogging.
Dude, she sounds definitely like a UK rapper, bro. Like, definitely, bro. I can tell. I can tell it, bro.
Chasing guap, but I don't use chase. Stuff big knots in a brick like James. Bad boy shit, but I don't know Mace. FTY boys don't live shades.
Yeah, man, these are not from Africa, bro. They sound way different, bro.
Play with them bees, you make it stung. Young, throw it up. I'm with the members here twisting their fingers. We want the cream top, it's 36 chambers. 30 on me, so I'm up, then I'm dangerous. Shout out to cool Americans. I fuck with Smallgod, but we do this shit big. I'm still alive, so the tat on my stomach is true till I'm dead. They knew what it is.
Oh, there you get the African, bro. Dude, why does this guy look like Bounty Killer, bro? Like, look at it. I don't know, bro. Give me a Bounty vibe, bro. Pull it. Ooh. Dude, I always like all these videos look like it doesn't natural, nothing too fancy, that's natural, you know. Music video because they look so natural, they don't look like that expensive. That's why they just roll up into a community and like, yo, we're gonna do a music video, let's do this shit. Crazy, bro. But anyway, guys, this is another reaction video. Pretty cool song though, I'm not gonna lie. Cool. Like, I think the girl verse was more fire, bro. Her one was hard, go hard, man. I'm not gonna lie. I really enjoy her the most. She's fire. But anyway.